This is my creative trading system at work. This is the trade EJ on the 27th for 110 pip. And you can see by buy entry here, SL moves to break even plus, and it's according to the setup. Every trade is taken according to the setup, nothing in random. Next trade, you can see EN is for 65 pip. Here's the order on the 27th. Next trade, CJ, buy order here by the book setup and the 90 pip here. AJ trade 70 pip, buy order right here on the 28th June. GC to the downside here. GA for 85 pip, sell order here right there. And UJ 80 pip to the upside, beautiful by the book entry on the 28th. Here on the 29th, again, it's the same thing. This is the first one I just showed you. This is the second one, UJ, for 90 pip to the long side. EC, 85 pip, short trade, beautiful all the way down. On the 29th, EU, sell order right there, 55. These are all the trades in 1 week, 21 trade in 1 week. Gold trade right there. You can trade this with this system. You can trade anything that you can have on MT4, any instrument. EN again on the 30th for 110 pip to the downside, right? GJ 30 on the 30th, 60 pip, sell order right there. And then again, EJ on the 30th, 90 pip to the downside. EC 30th on, that was the first one. And then this is the second one again for 65 pip. And this one, GJ for 160 pip on the 30th. And here, CJ on the 30th for 85 pip. AJ on the 30th for 140 pip, straight down by the book entry. And on the 30th, 105 pip, EJ here, right? Short entry here. That was the first one. This is the second one. And then GC on the first for 85 pip. And this, so 21 trade in 1 week, and you can see that how big, 140, 160, all of these, right? And plus gold, and you can, you know, like I said, the stock, like S&P 500, DAX, whatever you can have an MT4, you can trade with this system. Now, this system I teach is either you can just join by, like monthly subscription, or if you want to go on a fast track and become a master of this whole trading game, then what you can do is that you can go on my website and get on this one-on-one coaching course, which is like a 10-hour one-on-one personal coaching over the Zoom, where I teach not only this system and how to make precise entries, but also like SNR level, trend line, channels, and Fibonacci tool, how to use it properly, what are the extension levels and all of that. Plus harmonic patterns, and yet every single thing I'll teach you and make you a master of this whole trading game, and you will feel like you have a total control on the market. Also, you're gonna get, if you get this, the 1-year membership is also including in that. Plus, I do have a Telegram here, right? Telegram channel where my subscribers, it's only for my subscriber, and I post here trade setups, charts, whatever that I see the an important thing coming in, and especially the trade setups every night, right? So I post here for my subscribers only. And like I said, that I am in the market for long enough. Like for example, I have this thread open here in Forex Factory. You can see it's February 2008. And also I have a YouTube channel here with almost like 1,400 videos so far, right? Out of which I can tell you that my subscriber, the list of my for the subscribers, the list of my previous webinar recording, it's almost 438. It's only for subscribers, and it has this many videos in there. Webinar recording, previous webinar recordings. All right, so you have this much, you have access to this, playlist, and you can learn a lot of things from this. All right, so this is how it is. This is how it works. And this is the current chart here. See this setup, right? So I didn't take this trade because I was doing something in an Asian session. Today is Monday, but you see by the book, this is the setup, and then it went up all over here, right? This was a good trade, but since it's Monday morning, Asian session, I didn't take this one, but I will take my other setups, and then I'll show you. Last week I didn't trade, but this week, because of the COVID, but this week I'm going to be trading. Feel better now, so I'll show you my trades later on. So like I said, that if you like what you saw, just go on my website, subscribe on either monthly subscription or where you can learn, but it's just slow process. But if you want the fast track, one-on-one coaching here, come here and then get on the bus and start learning. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And hopefully I'll see you in my webinars.